Threads is a messaging app developed by Meta Platforms, the parent company of Instagram. It was launched on July 5, 2023, and is available for iOS and Android devices. Threads is designed to be a more intimate and personal messaging experience than Instagram's main app. It allows users to connect with a close circle of friends and share photos, videos, and messages with them. Threads is integrated with Instagram, so users can easily share their Threads posts to their Instagram stories or feed. They can also use their Instagram username and profile. Some of the features of Threads include a close circle of friends. Threads allows users to connect with up to 30 of their closest friends. This creates a more intimate and personal messaging experience than Instagram's main app, which allows users to connect with anyone. Status updates. Threads users can share status updates with their friends, which can include text, photos, and videos. Status updates are visible to all of a user's Threads friends, but they can also be set to private. Auto status. Threads users can choose to have their status automatically updated to reflect their current activity. For example, if they are using the camera, their status will be updated to say, taking a photo. Camera-centric interface. Threads has a camera-centric interface, which makes it easy for users to take and share photos and videos. Enhanced privacy controls. Threads users have more control over their privacy than Instagram users. For example, they can choose who can see their status updates and who can send them messages. Threads has been compared to Twitter, as it allows users to post short text updates and interact with other users' personal experience than Twitter. It is also integrated with Instagram, which gives users the ability to share their Threads posts with their wider Instagram audience. Threads is still a new app, but it has already attracted a large number of users. It is seen as a potential rival to Twitter, and it could help Meta Platforms to keep its users engaged on its platforms. Threads is a relatively new app, but it has already been downloaded millions of times. It is seen as a potential rival to Twitter, as it offers a similar experience with a more focused and intimate focus. In social media, a thread can be used to tell a story or to share a series of related thoughts. This can be a more engaging way to communicate than posting individual tweets or posts. It is still early days for the app, but it has the potential to grow in popularity in the future. Overall, Threads is a promising new social media platform. It offers a more private and intimate experience than Instagram, and it includes a few new features that are not found on other platforms. However, Threads is still a relatively new app, and it remains to be seen whether it will be able to compete with more established platforms like Twitter Private and Intimate. Threads is designed for users to connect with their close friends and family in a more private and intimate way. Easy to use. Threads is easy to use and navigate. Integrated with Instagram. Threads is closely integrated with Instagram, so users can easily share their Threads posts to their Instagram feed. New features. Threads includes a few new features that are not found on Instagram, such as activity status and selfie.